Right now, food, you know.
What kind of food? What kind of cooking show is this?
The kitchen on the right moment, Virgin. If you catch me when I'm live and weed, you can't catch me anything. You don't get a bite. You see me? If you catch me on a good vibes right now. Alright, I'm not
I saw only the plant makes you.
Right now.
So right now, only the weed will make you give me some good vibes.
Yes, only the weed give me good vibes. You see me right now, I'm showing one of the things still, you see me?
Yeah.
My virgin name, Vision 45. It sing about 30 girl, 30 day. Real set me around, you see. I'm a boy. I joke I still I'm a boy, you see me. Yo queen, you can't let them joke with my leg doing that. It's 30 girl now. Anytime 30 girl are doing anything, put them on Facebook. And 30 girl with 30 girl, you put them on Facebook. If man a cook, if man boil tea, you put them on Facebook. 30 girl. Ariel St. Marian. Whoa, yeah. Oh, yeah. I saw him go on, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So right now, big up Ariel St. Marian, Virgin. You see me? Don't know some 30 girl, not 30 day. You see me? Yeah, come over here, son. Give something. Come over here, son. Alright, that's all. The pot kind of hot, you know, but I don't know, I'm tough, so I can hold the hot pot. You see me? Pot very hot, but I'm tough, so I can hold the pot. Strength, no weakness. You see me? Big up. Look at Jamaican them, you see me? Here, you see that? You see that? There's a color low. Greens, good for your body. Make you fit. Yes. Real water style, firehouse style, you see me? Come on the pot, so. Watch this, so. Dumpling and thing a boil, you see me? Hold on there. I'm sure not going on the bottom because I don't want to see no bottom. I'm sure not going right there, so. No bottom thing. Look, you see what I want? A boy, 30 girl, not 30 day.
What's all in that pot?
Dumpling. Not call me dumpling, and this is wheat dumpling. This is dumplings good for you. You see me? Wheat. Very healthy and strong. Make you fit. No weakness. You see me? This right there, sir. You don't know it's the right planting. And we have two banana, you see me? See it there? You don't know it's a healthy style. You leave the banana in this, the stem, so you don't know so when you stem and you stem, the real stem. And we have something more else in it, hold on there, 30 girl and 30 day. Oh boy, hold on there. You see this? It's a the what? Potato. But I'm not going to eat this still, except for the baby. You see me? Anyway, I wore 30 girl.